YouTube? Khallid AKA Smoove Flipper. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to go over a strategy that I've been using for the past 2 or 3 weeks and picking up phones on Facebook Marketplace. The strategy basically is finding deals from sellers who have already posted their phones on Marketplace. So the normal way of getting phones is post ads, get leads, make deals. So this is just another way for you to buy more phones if you have a lot of capital, and you're not getting enough leads for how much capital you have. You can go out and do this. Or if things are slow and you haven't had any deals or leads for a day or two, you could just go out and search for different deals. Now these deals that you're going to get, the margins aren't going to be the best. You're still going to make money, but the margins aren't going to be 100 $150 profits on these phones. So you guys can see on my screen, I am on Marketplace. This is the Marketplace in my area. So you're going to go to Marketplace in your area and you're just going to search, the best, from my experience, best phones to do are iPhones, and unlocked iPhones are the go-to as well. So you're going to find or try to find deals, good deals on here already, but you're gonna try to undercut them $50. So um, let's just say this iPhone 8 Plus was a good deal, right? And it was unlocked. Let's just say it was unlocked, and it was posted 3 hours ago, so that's fine. Um, what I want to say is, the best ways to get these phones is if they're posted like within 20 minutes, or if they've been on here for 5 6 days. You want to catch it when it's first on there, because if it's a good deal, um, 9 times out of 10 they're trying to get cash. They need cash because most of these phones on here are overpriced. Like this one here, just seven. This iPhone X, excuse me, is 750. iPhone 8 650. So most of these people aren't very they don't know, the price of these phones. They're just throwing numbers out here. So if the price is actually really good, you can usually undercut them and still make some good profit, because 9 times out of 10 they're just trying to get cash. So let's say this is a good deal. iPhone 8 Plus was posted 3 hours ago. Um, let's say you can sell it for 500. Let's say you can, right? You would offer something like 420 to 450 for this phone, you know. Um, and that's all you really do. You just offer prices on good deals. So let's say this is a good deal. You could sell it all day in your area for 500. They haven't sold it, but this is the strategy I'm telling you guys. So you offer them 450, right? Bam. You make the deal and meet up, make sure everything is good to go. You list it right back on Marketplace. You list it on Craigslist. You list it on OfferUp. You list it on Let Go, 5 Mile, any place you can list it. The groups, Facebook groups. You're trying to get this phone out there to as many people as you can possibly get to. So most people just know about Marketplace. They don't know about the other apps. Another strategy that I like to tell you guys or do is, if you get a phone, let's say I have an iPhone 8 Plus that I'm going to go after. Let's say I have iPhone 8 Plus box and I have some accessories laying around. I can offer 450, you know, relist it for 500 again, because we're just making 50 bucks, and relist it with the phone, the box, and the accessories together. This is going to entice more people to click, entice more people to pay, because a lot of people don't want just to get the phone and then have to go buy the charger or the headphones. So, it's a lot better looking when you're listing a phone and then you have the box. As you guys can see in this, you guys have all this, and those are cards and stuff like that. But that's all you really need to do. So let's just go to the sections really quick. So we're gonna go to electronics, right? And obviously mobile phone. You can just stay on electronics. I like to just go to mobile phones, but all you're really doing is just scrolling. You're just scrolling and trying to find a decent deal. Because again, 9 times out of 10, these people are um, just needing cash. Because if you look at it, if you think about it, guys, a lot of these people don't know what their phone's really worth. A lot of overpriced phones on Marketplace, you guys can see. Some people just don't know. So if they are in need of cash and the price is low, then you can use that as your advantage. They're in need of cash, or if they just don't know what the phone is worth, or they don't really need the phone anymore because they upgraded, then those are the best phones to jump on. So again, I don't know what's wrong with this one, but 6S Plus 64 gigs. Let's check it out. All right, so this is not a bad deal. This is not a bad deal. Let's just check to see if it's actually it is a 6S Plus. I don't know if that's a crack at the bottom or is that just a mark. Nope, it looks like it's good to go. Works perfectly. Come with the OtterBox case. So he's already submitted a request on this. So we could just go ahead and message them and say, hey, is this phone still available? Send message, right? And our goal is to get it for 150. You know, um, so the phone. I mean, the phone has just been listed, so you're gonna give it some time. But these are what you're going after. These phones like this, 6S Plus. I'm sure people can get 250 for unlocked 6S Plus, 64 gigs in their area. Again, 25 minutes. Nobody has jumped on that one yet, so that's a good phone to do. You could offer them 150, or just offer them 170, and then turn around and sell it for 220 on different platforms. But that's $50 in profit. So that's one potential one we could have went after. Let's see. And again, unlocked phones are probably the best to go after just because you don't have to limit yourself to the people you can sell the phone to. So that's a crack. So I mean, some areas is going to be a lot easier. My area is not the best when it comes to searching phones like this, but I do pick up a couple of weeks. So let's say if I was in a heavy populated area where people are posting phones like every minute, then it should be a lot easier to pick up some phones. So I'm just gonna scroll through a little bit more. Let me see. Okay, this 10s Max is probably locked to Verizon. Oh, they're looking to trade. So all right, never mind. Just keep on searching. Again, this is a 6S Plus for 210. This been on here for 2 days, and it's Verizon, so it's already unlocked. Condition is fair, so they're even saying the condition is fair. Most people like to hype up their condition, but they're saying it's fair. You can use it as your advantage. I don't know how many gigabytes it is, but I'm sure you can talk to them or whatever, offer them 160, turn around and sell it for 220. But you always have to list it on all platforms. List it on all platforms, and then sometimes what you can do is just list it on eBay for a price that after fees and shipping, you'll come up with the price you would sell it as locally. If that makes sense. So if you're gonna sell it for 220 on Facebook Marketplace and local platforms, you're gonna list it, let's say, for 285 on eBay, just in case. You never know who's gonna buy it. Somebody might come across and buy it, but you're just trying to get as many eyes to that phone as you can to sell it. So this isn't like the get rich, make $10,000 a month strategy. It can be done. It takes a lot of work, but if you are somebody who's been doing this and leisure slowing down, or you have a lot of capital to work with, and you there's not that many phones you can buy in your area, from people replying to ads, then this could be a good strategy. And again, unlock phones do work the best. If you can find AT&T phones on here, get the IMEI number and try to unlock them with the device portal, then that works as well. But the whole game, the whole name of the game here is just scroll and try to find decent deals on here where you can offer a price. So let's say an iPhone 7 for 300. I don't know how many gigabyte. Excuse me. I don't know how many. What's the carrier? Sorry, but it's been on here for 5 days. So if it doesn't have any cracks or anything, scratches on the corner, he says. So it's been on here for 5 days. This person's probably getting impatient as far as they're not able to sell it. But if you can sell it for 300 bucks, if you know you're confident in selling it for 300 bucks, if you have a box, if you have accessories to add to it, then go ahead and offer 250. Get those accessories, take pictures, post it on all platforms, and try to make the sale. Again, guys, this is not the main strategy to get phones, but it does work. I've been sourcing a lot of different phones on Marketplace in my area just by being on here. So let me try to find one more for the video, and then we'll wrap it up here. Um, so 269 for an iPhone 7. I'm not sure. Let's see it's T-Mobile. I probably wouldn't touch that. Let's see one more. iPhone 6 for 150. AT&T. I know some people in their area can sell this for 150 with you know charger, cable and wall adapter. You can sell this for 150 in their area. So let's say you offer them 100. They accept, you meet up, and you list it, back on Marketplace and on the other platforms for 150, but you add accessories or a box, just to make it look more appealing. You should be good to go on that. So, you can make 40, 50 bucks each phone you do this with. Some people are just impatient. Some people take bad pictures, which can turn off a lot of people, as far as buying their phones. So, we know how to take pictures of phones. We know how to list them. We know, what price to list them at. So this is a great strategy, and it works. It works a lot better in the populated areas, but in my area, it still works well. Gonna try to find one more. If I can find one more for the video, that'd be great. So let's see. Let's see. Starting to get a bunch of dud phones, but we'll see. But I know, like I've checked, like Arizona. I've checked Texas. Back in San Diego, this will work because phones are being posted like every 2 3 minutes they're being posted. So I can't really find anything else. But you guys get the picture. Basically, you just get on here. You can use a search engine. You can use whatever you want. Your miles. But you find deals that are decent that have just been posted on Marketplace or have been on Marketplace for 5+ days, and just try to take advantage of, that low price of them maybe just needing cash or being ignorant to the price, and not, having someone jump on it just like that. You can take advantage of that, or you can go ahead and find the ones that have been there for 5 or 6 days because they're getting impatient with trying to get rid of the phone. They probably dealt with flakers because it hasn't sold and they're just over it. So you can offer them that price of 50 bucks less than what they're asking, um, and relist it back on the same platform and other platforms with added accessories, a case, a charging cable, a box, all that, make it look nice and list it on here. So yeah, you're gonna make some money doing this. This is not the main way I get phones, but I have been getting phones this way. Just wanted to share it with you guys. This works on, if Marketplace is not your best platform in your area, you can try this with OfferUp or Let Go. I know it works well with Craigslist, but just try a strategy out, guys. If you guys do enjoy the video, please drop a like. New to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.